Since I was a little kid, my dream has been to attend the FIFA World Cup. I've now attended hundreds of events around the world and became a huge deal on LinkedIn. So I took matters into my own hand. I wrote a post asking for help to my community. My dream, bring me to a match of the FIFA World Cup. The comments started to flow. I was getting excited. The support was incredible. But then reality hit. So I took matters into my own hands and I spent $5,000 and we're going to LA. What's up everybody? I'm Julius Solaris and this is the World Cup. So why did I bring you with me at the World Cup? Well, first off, it's one of the biggest events in the world. It's really one of the few that manages to get the whole world to watch. But then other than that, there's business happening here. Look all around me, I'm in the fan zone. I'm here to rate every single activation that I'm gonna see this morning. And then I'm gonna bring you into the stadium with me. My ticket, $5,000 for a hospitality package, the Champions area, to show you how they're creating hospitality experiences for high-profile business people. So this is not just about fun, it's about business. As usual, let's go. Well, Bank of America people, they totally nailed the activation here. Look at the lines to get in. To see save, like probably an hour-long line. And what are they trying to get? Trying to get some bracelets. Just incredible how they managed to capture the attention. The bracelets went viral online. They're collectible. So let's rate Bank of America. Viral idea that takes off. You cannot schedule this. You cannot plan this. Or maybe you can. Anyway, congrats, 8+ for this type of activation. Now, are these people interested in Bank of America? That's a different story. Coca-Cola fan zone right behind me. I'm gonna give it an 8 because few reasons. So clever. First off, look at the line to get in, to get a branded Coca-Cola cape with the flag of the team they are supporting today. Incredible brand awareness through the stadium. They're giving this out. Look at the line to get them. But then the power move, you have to scan a QR code to get them. So they're getting the data. Then they're selling the product. They're selling Coke right there. And there's the line also for that. Then some refreshment stations where you can go and look at your makeup and do some touch-ups. I love this activation. Well done, Coca-Cola. At the Lace table, this is a great concept that I have right behind me. It's an activation with a photo booth. Okay, we've seen it, but right inside of it, they have laid out chips where you can select a seasoning made out of countries that are participating in the World Cup. Creative idea. Here's the best part. You're paying for it. You're paying $10 for it with taxes and everything. Discount if you're using Visa, who's a partner. That applies 10% all across the board. Again, partnership. I love to see that in action. Great placement of the product. I know we're not used to that in events, but I mean, look at this. You're paying for it. You're getting a 7. I love it, Lays. Home Depot. This is the Beckham's backyard in Los Angeles. Photo op. Very well done with all the cool-looking things that you can pick up at Home Depot. A fan for us to get some fresh air, and then an interactive game where you can play and score points and win a prize. I love how it's done. And don't forget, pins. We love pins. Pins all over the place. Collectibles are becoming so popular right now with events. Very popular activation here from Dove. What happens inside is you take a picture, you get your own Panini sticker. Panini does the official stickers for the collectible FIFA World Cup. And look at that, right inside they're giving out product, which is a great idea. I always love when brands place products right inside. So let's rate Dove. 7 for the idea. Photo booth are pretty cool. 8 for the product placement. I love the Panini collab. Collab, always a great idea. I'll give it a 9. Congratulations. Michelob Ultra activation. It's got beer, so it's got people. There's got to be music. There's a DJ playing. But what I loved about it is the Messi challenge. AR is looking at you, a camera. Messi shows you the trick. You have to be able to replicate it and you win a prize. People love a challenge. And so I'm going to give it a 7 for this because, I mean, it's nothing crazy, but actually I'm going to change it to 8 because of AR. Well done, Michelob. Great use of technology. Kia activation right behind me. I love how it's done. It's probably not the most popular here, but it has all the elements that you want. Probably a little bit more action. Some music would have made it sound better, but they have the product showed right in. They had a photo wall. You can take your selfie, get a printout, photo booths all over the place. Then a little game to play with your family, sort of in-person foosball. I want to see that at events because it's pretty clever. So well done, Kia. I'm going to give it a 7. SoFi Stadium, humongous structure. I'm in the Champions Suite. This is a hospitality suite, $4,000 to get in. Got free food, beautiful view. But this is to show you how venues are stepping it up and making exclusive experiences, selling a stack. This happens in sports all the time, but your event doesn't even have a VIP ticket. So this is the message for you. For these type of experiences, we literally want to have more. We want to have a premium experience and see how they're doing it and pulling it together. That's it. Final whistle, Spain won. Congrats to all the people working on these incredible events. Great placements from all the brands. I love the experience, the stadium, the hospitality. What a great experience to witness at least once in a lifetime. It was just awesome. This has been Julius Solaris, and I'll see you at the next one.